I will share 3 stocks for intraday trading for today, 17th August, Tuesday, along with logic. Hello, I am Sumit, intraday trader in Bank Nifty options. With more than 4 years experience, I earned 12% return for July month after cost. So the first stock for today is Hind Petroleum, which is Hindustan Petroleum, which is an energy and petrol stock, and these stocks are in the uptrend. So now, as you can see, this is the daily chart. This is taking support around this level, 255 levels, and the candle for Monday was a green candle along with a big volume. So I think it can move towards upside. So now we'll see the 1 hour chart to see what exactly is going on here. So as we can see here, it took support around this level, 253 levels, and now it is trying to move up. As you can see, the volume is also increasing. Green candle's volume is also increasing, so we can see it going towards 264, 268. The stop loss can be 252. So the exact levels of entry, exit, and stop loss and target will share on the Telegram channel. So moving on to the next stock, which is Manapuram, which is a finance stock, and as we can see here, this is the hourly chart. It took support around 165 and it is trying to move up. As we can see here, the volume is trying to increase, which shows that it is trying to move up. It is trying to move up towards this level, and stop loss can be below 165. So moving on to the next one, Britannia stock. As we can see here, it gave a clear breakout yesterday and with great volume. See the volumes here. So now what we can do here is, if it retraces back towards this level and give confirmation follow up, we can buy for the upside. So these are the 3 stocks for today, 17th August, and the exact levels of entry, stop loss, and target will share on the Telegram channel before market open at 9:12 a.m. You can join our Telegram channel, link in the description. Always risk less than 1% of capital in any given trade, and details of our 1-year mentorship program is in the description. Price just 999. Any doubts, WhatsApp on 7666 479 384. Thank you for watching. Learn trading and earn from trading. See you in the next video.